अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय डियर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, मेरे प्यारे भाई और बहनों। बेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की जानिब से मैं आप सब लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। एट द सेम टाइम आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक एवरीबडी हु हैज़ बीन पार्ट ऑफ दिस मूवमेंट टू हेल्प, टू सपोर्ट, to make sure nobody sleeps hungry during these tough times for our humanity. I should tell that in our movement, in our cause, we have supported nearly 650 families with 1 month of groceries and food material, with a lot of cleansing agents. At the same time, we have given a lot of medical assistance to families who have not been able to afford medical assistance or medicines. We have been able to help those. At the same time, I would like to thank nearly 100 contributors who have been contributing to this cause so that nobody sleeps hungry during this corona crisis. At the same time, I would like to thank our 75 volunteers who have been relentlessly working in the difficult situations, have been traveling to the houses, have been maintaining a social distance, at the same time supporting people and actually coming closer to the hearts. And this has motivated, this has actually given us a passion to be part of this great movement to support humanity. In this situation, in this grave time, there is no religion, there is no community. The community is all about humanity today. In this regard, I would like to thank everybody. At the same time, we have to appeal, I urge, I invite, I tell, we are with open arms, want to tell you that please join this movement in your locality, in your street, in your city, in your towns. Reach out to the very poor people, support them, and whoever they are, they may be of any creed, age, anything, please contribute, please help them. This is the time the God is going to reward you. And I want to tell you a great thanks to the administration, at the same time a great thanks to everybody who is praying for this movement, for this cause. And let's get along, let's be strong. Let this difficult time is going to pass away. और ये वक्त जब चला जाएगा, शायद छप्पड़ फाड़ के अल्लाह हमें खुशियाँ देगा। हम उस दिन का इंतज़ार करेंगे और उस दिन के लिए हम जिद्दोजहद करते रहेंगे और हर उस गरीब को हम मदद करते रहेंगे। उस गरीब को हम उनके घर को, उनके प्लेट तक हम खाना पहुंचाने की हम कोशिश करेंगे। आइए बेस के साथ जुड़िए, आप जो भी आपके घर के पास कोई भी इदारा हो उनके साथ जुड़ जाइए और इस काम को कंप्लीशन तक आप जुड़े रहें और इस ह्यूमैनिटी कॉज के लिए आप काम करते रहें। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।